500 subscribers. That is crazy. I thought I would never reach 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for making this possible. 500 subscribers. That is completely insane. That is so many people. And that is halfway to 1,000. Can you believe that? 1,000. So thank you guys so much for that's technically 2 because, like, I don't got fingers. 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy this video. This took me ages to film for you guys. It took me so long to build the parts. I hope you enjoy this. Enjoy the video. But thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. Enjoy. Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. This is my 500 subscriber special. And today, we are going to be building a gaming PC in Recroom. I've got all my parts here. Some stuff in here too. Got my screwdriver, motherboard, RAM, CPU, GPU, cooler, my PSU, my fans, SSD, and the case. So, let's build this. Also, yes, I do got thermal paste. Don't worry. Alright, so first, you're going to be starting off with something simple. The PSU. Just slide that guy in there. Very good, very good. Let's tighten out my screwdriver. And, yeah. Alright, keep tightening that. Keep tightening that. And we should be good. So that guy is locked and loaded in there. That's another step done. Now, let's go to our CPU. I know, not our CPU. Motherboard. So, let's get that bad guy in there. Slide him on. Hopefully he stays. I'll fix that. It's a little bit tricky getting your... There we go. Now, let's screw that guy in. Alright, keep screwing in, and good. Alright, CPU fastened in there. Now, no, motherboard. Now let's get our RAM. Why not? And just gonna stick you in that slot. Alright, there we go. One more stick of RAM. And if you're wondering, this is 16 gigs of RAM. Right in the hole. Alright, and there we go. Now, let us get our CPU. Open the PCI Express slot, and let's stick that guy in. Alright, that is in. Now, let's apply some of our thermal paste. Alright, let's just get it right on the CPU. Nice. That is a super messy layer of thermal paste. Let me just smooth that out with this guy. Alright, that looks smooth. Nice. Now, let's plop this guy on here. Nice. And let's keep screwing it in. Nice. That's all secured. Good. We are doing good. We are doing real good. Now, how about we go for our SSD? Plop that guy right there. Screw it in. Gently does it. And good. Alright. GPU time. Let's go. I love my GPU. Got the RTX 3090. Plop that guy in the express slot. And we are golden, actually. There we go. Now, let me twist this dude in. Uh-oh. Alright, twist him in. And just keep twisting him in. Nice. This is looking almost good. Now we just gotta get our fans. So let's start on this side. Plop that guy into a certain slot, and we are good. Nice. Good. Now, let us get our second fan going. Plop. Nice. Good. It's secure, nice and loose. Now, this one, right in this slot. I think it just snaps in. Nah, I gotta tighten it a little bit more. Oh, yeah, I gotta tighten it. I gotta tighten. These ones are fine, but this one, tricky. Alrighty, that one was a tricky one. Alright, so I think we're good. PCI Express slots, good, very good, very good. Yeah, we're done basically. Let's get the cover on. Let's wire this guy up. Alright, cover I believe is a snap-on. Nope, it's a twisty. Alright. Turn, middle, or not middle. Alright, middle screw is DDD done. Uh-oh. That's not normal. No, no, oh. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, we've made our very own gaming PC in Recroom. This is insane, guys. Alright, now my box of old stuff, if I can carry this. Oh, yes, yeah, aw man, can't do it. Alright, uh-oh, that's not how boxes work. Alright, let's get this bad letter here. Keyboard, Alright, now I believe this is wireless, I believe. Let me just wire tap this. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. And then boop, 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 boop. Alright, all wired up, and we are ready to go. Let's boot this guy up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, let's go. Beep. Now just gotta wait. Alright, it's booting up. Oh, this looks so cool. This looks so cool. Yo, guys, it's booting up. Booting up. Uh-oh. My keyboard. Yeah, things are a bit wacky right now. Alright, this is so cool. This is so cool. Alright, how about we play GTA 5? Whoa. This is awesome. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you liked it, press like. Dislike it, press dislike. Hope you guys enjoyed my 500 subscriber special. Thank you guys so much for being here. This is awesome. Yeah, guys. Let me just turn that guy off. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. If you liked it, press like. But yeah, guys, it's so much fun building this computer. I gave you the instructions. You guys can follow along at home. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Maybe we can get 600. Nah. Yeah, guys. See you soon. Hope you enjoyed the subscriber special. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.